Welcome back all of you. Let's solve this radical problem. If root 4 to the power 20 minus 2 to the power 21 plus 1 all divided by 2 to the power 20 plus 2 to the power 11 plus 1 is equal to 2 to the power x minus 1. So we have to find the value of x in this problem. All of you watch this video till the end and please thumbs up if you find this solution easy. Let's get started. Root 4 can be written as 2 to the power 2 and whole power 20 minus 2 to the power 21 can be written as 2 times 2 to the power 20, because after adding the powers we will get the same again. Here we use product rule of powers. According to that rule, if a raised to power m times a raised to power n, then this is equal to a raised to power m plus n. Means we can add the powers. So if we add the powers, we will get the 2 to the power 21 plus 1 divided by 2 to the power 20 can be written as 10 times 2 plus 2 to the power 11 can be written as 2 times 2 to the power 10, because using product rule of power. Plus 1 is equal to 2 to the power x minus 1. Root, here we are going to write 2 to the power 20 and whole power 2, because we know according to the power of a power rule, if a raised to power m raised to power n, this is equal to a raised to power m times n, and this is also can be written as a raised to power n raised to power m. Means we can switch the powers. So after switching the powers, we can write this as 2 to the power 20 whole power 2 minus 2 times 2 to the power 20 plus 1 divided by, this can be written as 2 to the power 10 whole power 2 plus 2 times 2 to the power 10 plus 1 is equal to right hand side as it is. Maybe some of you have noticed that in numerator and in denominator we have perfect square. Here 2 to the power 20 is a, so a square minus 2a, b is 1 here, plus 1 square. So we can write this as 2 to the power 20 minus 1 whole square, and in denominator this is the square of 2 to the power 10 plus 1 is equal to 2 to the power x minus 1. If we write numerator and denominator separately in square root, so 2 to the power 20 minus 1 whole square divided by, this is plus 1 whole square, so root 2 to the power 10 plus 1 whole square is equal to 2 to the power x minus 1. We can see that this square and root cancel out. This square and root cancel out. We are left with 2 to the power 20. 2 to the power 20 minus 1 divided by 2 to the power 10 plus 1 is equal to right hand side as it is. Now for the numerator, if we see 2 to the power 20 as 2 to the power 10 whole square and minus 1 whole square, so we can use difference of square formula, which is a square minus b square. That can be written as a plus b times a minus b. So if we write 2 to the power 20 minus 1 in the form of a plus b times a minus b, 2 to the power 10 plus 1 times 2 to the power 10 minus 1 divided by denominator as it is equal to 2 to the power x minus 1. We can see that 2 to the power 10 plus 1 from numerator and denominator cancel out. We are left with 2 to the power 10 minus 1 is equal to 2 to the power x minus 1. This minus 1 cancel out. Now we have 2 to the power 10 is equal to 2 to the power x. As bases are same and equal, so we can equate the powers. After equating the powers, we get that x is equal to 10, which is the final and required value of x asked in this question. I hope all the steps are clear. Go through all the steps once again If you have any question, any query, feel free to ask to me in the comment box. See you in the next video. Till then, keep watching, keep practicing. Bye.